In this video, you'll learn how to change a phone number on eBay. By following these steps, you will successfully update your contact information to ensure you receive important notifications. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once you are signed in, locate your account settings. This can typically be found by clicking on your username or the account option in the navigation menu. After selecting this, you'll be directed to a page with various account management options. Next, look for the section labeled Personal Information. Within this section, you will find the phone number area. Click on the Edit button next to your current phone number. This action will allow you to enter your new phone number. It is important to enter the number carefully, as accuracy is crucial for receiving notifications. Ensure that the new number is one you have immediate access to. After entering your new phone number, you may need to complete a verification process. eBay often requires this step to confirm the validity of the number. You might receive a text message or an automated call containing a verification code. Once you receive this code, enter it on the website where prompted. This verification step is essential as it helps protect your account from unauthorized changes. Once the verification is complete, proceed to save your changes. After saving, confirm that your new phone number is now displayed correctly in your account settings. If necessary, update any payment or shipping information associated with your account to reflect this change. Additionally, if you have active transactions, consider notifying any buyers about your updated contact information. Finally, monitor your account for any messages related to the phone number update. Keeping your contact information current is vital for maintaining smooth communication with eBay and its users. An updated phone number helps prevent any potential interruptions to your account and ensures you receive important notifications without delay. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.